Hey guys, so big day today. We have so many news. First of all, let's see this. These are meme coins on base. Here you can see everything is pumping in the last 24 hours. Toshi is up 34%. Ponke is up. Degen is up. My favorite ones is Base God. Base God is, I think it will be listed on Coinbase really soon. There is a 99% chance that it will be listed on Coinbase because Jesse Pollack, the founder of Base Network, Base Chain, has been talking about Base God for months. Right now, he's replying to Base God Twitter. And here you can see last 7 days, 44% up. In the last 24 hours, 52% up, and the last 24 hours, 9% up. So everything is pumping. If we're talking about Solana meme coins today, dog, we've had 34% in 1 day. In the last 7 days, 126%. So insane gains. Trump token, Pudgy Penguins, Peanut the Squirrel, Moodang 600%, 6x in the last 7 days. Really insane. The GOAT 200%. So basically, the meme coins are back, especially on Solana. But if we will see base meme coins, Ethereum pumping like it was pumping in the last few days, the base meme coins will be going up to new all-time highs as well. And where I am trading on Bullex because you can track wallets, you can track tweets, you can basically see what huge influencers are buying and selling. That's why I'm using Bullex. This invite only. Invite link is in the description and in the comment section. And yeah, everything is free. Everything is free, but it's on invite only, and invite link is in the description and in the comment section. So the big things that happened today is, first of all, USA and China to cut tariffs. So tariffs on Chinese goods drops to 10% from 125%, which is insane. And China cuts its tariffs to 10% as well. The cuts are temporary, lasting 90 days, which means that they will be doing deals in these 90 days. There is a 20% fentanyl-related tariff that stays in place. Now, what will happen today? The markets, the S&P 500, the stock market opens, and most likely everything will go up. So in that case, I think crypto will go up. And by the way, today Bitcoin went to 105,600 per Bitcoin. Here you can see really insane, but sadly it dumped down back to 104,000. Still, we are really high, and I predict a little dump. Maybe not today, but a little dump, because again, the global liquidity chart is the only chart that I'm following really closely. Next bullish thing is that Saylor yesterday at around this time basically posted this. Every time he posted this chart, he's buying more Bitcoin, and today most likely he will announce a new basically purchase. Who knows how much he bought? Hopefully billions. And what I want to show you is this. BlackRock's IBIT bought 10,500 Bitcoin this week, while only 3,000 were mined on average. That's why I'm telling that it's not only that the halving happens for Bitcoin, that it is 2 times harder to mine Bitcoin. The second thing is that BlackRock institutions are buying Bitcoin, really heavy buying. That's why that basically makes the supply shock even crazier. That's why there is a high chance that Bitcoin will go up, and I have been telling this for the last few weeks. I think Bitcoin is going up to new all-time highs in summer, 120,000 in late May. Right now we are in May 12th, so in May 20, the Bitcoin should go up really rapidly, and by May 25th, 28th, we should be around 120,000 per Bitcoin. And the whole summer will be basically going up with small dips in early July. That's why really insane times. And again, base meme coins is still the biggest narrative. Here you can see top gainers, Toshi, dogging me. If we look at all crypto, for example, for Solana meme coins, the biggest gainers are Puppy, Pesto, the Baby King, Nailong, Dog We've Had is trending, Moodang is trending. That's why don't sleep on crypto. use this tool because you can set your own gas fees, you can set auto buys, auto sells, track wallets, track tweets. So yeah, that's basically it for today. Great news. Bitcoin is most likely still going up. And first time we will see new all-time highs in summer for Bitcoin and maybe for crypto as well. Who knows? And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.